Alright, my peeps, so I'm gonna do another restoration, but this is gonna be on an instrument, a percussion instrument. So this thing has been back here for, I would say, years and months, and I'm pretty sure it looks really bad. So that's why we're gonna, alright, move this out of the way. Yeah, look, my peeps, my timbales. Damn, look at the skin. Oh my god. Ooh, shit, dude. Alright, so yes, we're gonna do a complete restoration on my timbales. Hopefully we could. Oh my god, look at this oxidation. Wow, super rusty. Look. Wow. So yes, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do a before and an after. Oh, one skin broke. Alright, let's do this, man. These things are pretty heavy. I gotta do it one at a time. So we're gonna do this one, and then we're gonna do that one. Yeah, so watch that thing work like magic. You guys are gonna trip out. I'm gonna make this thing look like brand new. But man, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute, my piece. But dude, that rust is bad. This piece is not that bad. Yeah, it has something. Some rust, yeah. Ay, my peeps. So we're gonna do the inside first. Cause that's like, oh my god. Look how rusty that thing is. All around. Right there's gonna take a lot of scrubbing. Right here too. Yeah. Wow. But before and after, my people, so let's do this. Alright. We're gonna let this soak and do what it has to do. Alright, my peeps, so I scrubbed the living pressure life out of that thing. So man, that thing had a lot of rust. So right now I'm gonna have my niece hold the camera, because I'm gonna power rinse this. But I'm gonna show you guys the foam, dude, like the difference from white and how I just did that so you guys could get like a reference. But man, look how much gunk, rust. Look at that, just rust. Oh my god. So I'm gonna hose it and see how much did I remove, how much more do I have to go. Look at the color of the water, dude. Yeah, I did remove some. I know you guys can see the inside. So I'm gonna do it again, and hopefully I can get it. I'm gonna do the outside too. Get all of this. Alright my peeps, so I finished scrubbing it inside and I did one time in the outside, so you guys gonna see the difference. And I scrubbed it twice already from the inside. And yeah, so you can see the before and the after. Alright my peeps, so there you go. That's the outside, that's just one application. You'll see a little bit of rust here and there. But for the most part, look how I got it. Just gotta take these off and dip them in the CLR. And look at the inside. You guys can see the inside. You could just hold the camera a little bit steady. And then you could kind of just see. Like right here, it's just too much buildup. But for the most part, look, I pretty much managed to revive it. So there you go. That thing works. So let's do the comparison, the before and after. Stay here, little girl. I'll be back. This is before, because they were both together. You see? Look how this one is. Keep it steady, little girl, because don't keep both hands. Like, you want to keep it steady. And now look at the inside. So that was literally before and after. So you guys can see the difference. So there you go, my peeps. You guys could, it's pretty much a night and day difference. Look at all that buildup, all that rust. And it's all around the whole drum. The whole timbal, I mean. But yeah, so just look at all the rust. Alright, my peeps. And look how I left it after I scrubbed it a few times. Twice, actually twice. Not bad, right? So there you go, my peeps. That thing works.